The recording is not initiated yet, ma'am, so I am waiting.
Initiated, I think so.
Okay. Yes, yes. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, AP Triple Department. I extend a warm welcome to all the participants. I welcome HOD of the Triple Department, Dr. V. Tamilselvi ma'am, and convener of this STTP, and I cordially welcome Professor Dr. P. Usharani madam and coordinator of this STTP program for the valedictory function of this AICTE Participants have benefited a lot from the deliberation that have taken place during this 6 days STTP program by eminent speakers from different institutions and industries. Now I request the participants to express the outcome of this STTP.
Hello, Uma Maheshwari ma'am.
Yes, yes ma'am.
As per the agenda, you kindly read out, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Now I request Dr. P. Usharani, Professor and Coordinator of this STTP program, to give the brief report about this STTP. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Respected Principal Sir, respected Colonel B. Venkat, Director, Faculty Development Cell, AICTE, respected HOD, dear faculty members and dear participants, a very good afternoon. It is honor and privilege to extend my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sir and beloved Vice Chairman Sir for having given permission and facilities for smooth conduction of this online 6 days AICTE sponsored STTP. I thank AICTE for sponsoring this program. I extremely thank our beloved Principal Sir, who is the source of inspiration for all of us. His constant encouragement and guidance made us to host events like this without difficulty. I extend my sincere thanks to our HOD for guiding and motivating us in each and every part of this event. About the STTP, to list few, we have successfully completed phase 2 AICTE sponsored 6 days online STTP on power quality enhancement in distributed generation systems using custom power devices, August 17th to 24th, 2020. We are very fortunate to have Professor Dr. Bhim Singh Sir, IIT Delhi, for inaugurating and delivering 2 sessions for this STTP phase 2. I extend my warm greetings to all eminent speakers who have spent their valuable time with us in delivering online lectures with case studies. I thank Professor Dr. Bhim Singh, IIT Delhi, Dr. Premlata Jana, IIT Roorkee, Dr. G. Uma, Anna University, Dr. Dattatreya Goyankar, NIT Surathkal, Dr. MP Selvan, NIT Trichy, Dr. Christopher Asirajan, Pondicherry Engineering College, Engineer Trivamurthy, Energy Consultant, Dr. Balamurali, Executive Engineer, TAN Transco, Mr. Muniraj, and Mr. Jyoti Prakash from Elmac Engineering Services. Throughout India, throughout the nation, approximately 90 participants have attended this STTP phase 2, 65 from Tamil Nadu and other states throughout India. It covers, mentioned in the inaugural session, all the states. It covers remaining participants from other states. The learned Acharya Chanakya says that education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere, and we gather each drop of water while filling the pot the same way. We must accumulate more and more knowledge. In this long term, this builds into a massive treasure which benefits us all through life. I thank enthusiastic and energetic participants who have attended this STTP. I thank the participants who have made the sessions live. All sessions were interactive and very informative. I request the participants to impart to the students whatever they have learned in this STTP. This is the main motto of this organizing such events. Few resource persons have also attended a few sessions. I have to thank them, which shows that teaching learning is a continuous process. I take this opportunity to thank the organizing committee members, Ms. Uma Maheshwari, Ms. Dhanlakshmi, Ms. Kalpana, and other my department faculty members. I thank Almighty for having good health during the pandemic period for all. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I welcome HOD of the Triply department, Dr. V. Tamilselvi ma'am, and the convener of this STTP to give a valedictory address. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all. And first of all, I would like to thank you everyone for your active participation in this 6 days STTP. And I would like to thank our organizer, Dr. P. Usharani, who has applied for this STTP to ACT, and she has got the approval. And in this lockdown period, no, we could not conduct this as a single STTP. She has conducted already phase 1, and this is phase 2, and she is going to conduct phase 3 in the next month also. So with since you know that conducting this kind of STTP for 6 days itself, it will be a big work in order to in order to conduct this kind of programs with the help of the participants as well as the session speakers. But already we have successfully completed 6 plus 6, 12 days, and 6 more days are there. And thanks for all the participants as well as the organizer and the members of those who are helping our organizer for conducting this STTP in a very good manner. And we also like to extend our thanks to our management for encouraging us in conducting these kind of latest technology programs for the faculty members. And Madam already mentioned that whatever we are gaining the knowledge in these kind of programs, we have to share the knowledge with our students, because we are all here for sharing knowledge only, not among ourselves, but also to the students. So even in this period, lockdown period, we had a tremendous reply for each and every program we conducted. Not only in this STTP, already we conducted some faculty development program also. In all the programs, the participants from various engineering college, not only inside the state, outside the state also, we have received a very good response from each and every staff member. So I hope you have enjoyed the lot in this 6 day session, and you have gained the latest trends about the power quality issues, because you know that each and every session speaker, they are from a very reputed institution as well as from the reputed universities and from industries also. In the first phase, we had more number of session speakers from industries compared to this. So I hope that you had a very good exposure in the power quality issues after attending this STTP, 6 days STTP. And once again, I thank you all for your active participation, and I thank our organizers and our department members. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dhanlakshmi ma'am, AP Triply department, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Once again, Pa. Uma Maheshwari, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Feedback, Ma. The program made objective was
I'll call the
participants are requested to give their feedbacks. We can start from Shanti ma'am.
Participants.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It gives me a great pleasure to join on this valedictory function. I thank AICT RMD Engineering College Management as well as Electrical Triple Department that you have helped us to see such a eminent, excellent speakers in this through this STP. So it gives me very great pleasure, madam. Thank you so much. I thank Dr. Tamil Selvi madam, and I thank Dr. Usharani ma'am, organizing committee member, as well as I thank Uma Maheshwari madam, Dhanalakshmi madam, Kalpana madam. Whenever we ask any doubt or any clarification, now and then they were helping us immediately. And I have attended so many STTP, NITTR programs throughout this pandemic period. But this program really, I have involved myself, and it has created very much interest to attend without any time delay. I used to, before 5 minutes, I used to come to the program and wait for the eminent speakers, excellent speakers she has organized. All IIT professors, Dr. Beam Singh, Madam Roorkee, Premalata Madam, Jana sir, and then Executive Engineer Professor Tirumurthy sir, and Dattacharya sir, Christopher sir. Everybody is very excellent. And from NIT Trichy today, Dr. MP Selvam, he has talked. Dr. Balamurali sir, he has given very good case study, every examples that we felt as if we are part of RMD, lively attending all those programs. Once again, I thank all the organizing committee members, all the participants, and really I thank the RMD Engineering College management to give us such a platform for us to organizing such a STTP, so that we are able to see so many professors and eminent speakers throughout the nation. So during this pandemic itself, one side is because of COVID-19, we were having some kind of pandemic and alarming situation is going on. But this side, as an academician, I was very much very happy, ma'am, that we have been enriched with knowledge through this mitigation of power quality issues in distributed systems. And I have learned many new principles about smart grid, microgrid, and how these controllers, operation and control of these equipments. It was very enlightening us. This will help us to go. It will help us to go for further research in this area as well as, and we will disseminate all these knowledge to our students too. So once again, I thank the organizing committee, management, AICT for giving such a platform to us. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the participants to give their feedback.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
I am Mahalakshmi from VSN Polytechnic College, Virudhunagar, near Madurai. I am basically electronics and communication engineer. Though this STTP is related to electrical, I was able to follow all the sessions very well. I have also attended the STTP organized by you in phase 1. In both STTP, the selection of experts are very good. All the experts shared their knowledge to us very well in a simple and a lucid manner. We all are benefited, madam. For research scholars, this STTP will be an eye-opener. Coordination among your team is very super. I convey my heartfelt congratulations and thanks to the organizing team. I expect eagerly to join phase 3 STTP also, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Shweta from Warangal. It's Telangana state, doing PhD in Satyabama University. I'm very happy to share my views regarding this SATP program. Actually, I'm doing PhD research in power quality area, so I have benefited a lot. In this COVID duration, it's around 10 to 15 programs I have attended. But myself, I'm very interested. Have learned lot of things in this particular SATP because this complete area is belongs to me, and the authors who are speaking and who are sharing their knowledge is very versatile. And I would like to thank the management to give us such a platform to share the knowledge regarding power quality issues, especially in distribution system. And I would like to thank Usha Rani ma'am and Salvi ma'am to conduct this type of such a nice platform to encourage our researchers like me to know the knowledge what's surrounding us and what are the new things. I have learned a lot. And coming to the authors, sir, as a student, I can say the Beam Singh sir is a versatile author. We might have studied more number of papers regarding his area, but while he is delivering the knowledge, instead of reading the papers, we have learned a lot by delivering his lecture. Like this, not only is, for Beam Singh sir, and also Uma ma'am and Premlata ma'am, and today morning speaker Salvan sir. These are the very excellent speakers. With their knowledge, they have shared everything. While raising the questions, you might have understand. I think so. Every day, I use it to ask few questions related to the area because I am completely involving that workshop. Because this area is related to me, so I have learned a lot of things by using this STTP. I would like to my sincere thanks to Usha Rani ma'am especially. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I am K. Urmila from ANK Technological Polytechnic College. It gives me immense pleasure that I participated in this STP on power quality issues. To hear from eminent professors from various IITs, NITs, and CEG and Pondicherry University, and not only from the various academicians, the inputs from the experts from the field were very useful. Every session was information packed and it was a enriching experience. This STTP remains close to my heart as it is in my core area, and it really motivated me to go further for research on power quality issues. So I thank RMD College and Dr. Tamiselvi Madam and Dr. Usha Rani Madam for the excellent organization of this, organizing this program and giving me the opportunity. Thank you once again, Madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any volunteers?
Any other participants can give your feedback?
May I say something?
Yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
I am
May I say something?
Balan. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I am,
Proceed, sir.
I am
Sir,
Balan, head of the department from Srividya College of Engineering Technology. First of all, I thank organizers because for every program, hospitality and selecting the research person is very important. For the selecting the research persons, the topic is very useful for research scholars and also the senior peoples, because for electrical the main thing is we have facing power quality. Sorry, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You can proceed, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Choosing the resource person is good for us, ma'am, because they given lot of information to the senior people as well as the PhD students. So, and also from your point of view, the time management is perfect for all the participants, ma'am. Once again, I thank you for all the ma'am organizing committee, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I thank RMD. This is Dr. G. Rohini, Professor and Head, SA Engineering College, Tripoli Department. I thank the organizers, RMD Engineering College, Professor Dr. V. Tamil Selvi, Head of the Department of RMD Engineering College, and a special thanks to Dr. P. Usharani ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for organizing such a wonderful STTP, and moreover, the resource persons. So, wow, it's very great to have such an eminent resource person, starting from Dr. Beam Singh, professor of IIT Delhi, and he gave a very good inaugural address, and followed by UPQ. I think he was delivering about the UPQC, and we had a very good session, ma'am. And second day we had Premalata ma'am. Actually, I even attended her NPTEL course lectures. Online, she conducted NPTEL course. And this time she started from a very brief introduction, and she went up to the maximum level of, that is, what is smart grid. She started and she explained about the microgrid, how it is, what to do. From basics, she started and gave a very good introduction. Why I am saying I am a power electronic. Basically, I am a power electronic. But I learned many things about the power systems during this STTP. And then comes the Uma ma'am. Actually, she's my mentor, and I'm very happy to learn from her once again during this STTP. Thanks for the organizer once again for making me to attend her. She started the shunt active filter, right? So she was giving, starting from what is shunt active filter, how to design shunt active filter, and she was explaining about how to choose the current, right? So how to design the shunt active filter. She explained everything in a very good manner, and we were more impressed about that, ma'am. Thank you once again. And one more session I just want to brief out, that fluke meter. Very good introduction. Starting, it's like just starting from the basic of how to measure the fluke using the fluke meter. They explained morning as well as afternoon session. 2 sessions we had. Very good sessions. We had a practical exposure. I think we got those who have attended sincerely. Definitely, they will be very happy to learn. Just he started how to use the fluke. Everything he had given a very good practical exposure was there. And today morning, Professor Selvam from NIT, he also gave a very good brief about the StatCom. So all the sessions were, though I missed some sessions, all the sessions were very nice, ma'am. Thank you once again for the organizers, and thank you for allowing me to share my feedback, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I expect a few throughout nation, few faculty members are attending. Kindly come forward, sir. Kindly come forward and explain. Sir, kindly mute your camera, ma. Those are already delivered. Kindly Shanti ma'am and Urmila ma'am. Sir, few faculty members, kindly come forward and tell your views, sir.
Hello, may I say something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pragalp Kant, and I am a research scholar in the Department of Electrical Engineering, JC Bose University, YMCA, Faridabad. I would rather reminisce my memories about this program in short. So, in my opinion, a book, a lecture, a presentation, or a note, or any learning tool has the best impact on the mind of a learner if it has 2 characters. One, it is fundamental, and the other, it is comprehensive. Okay, these 2 characteristics strike again and again throughout the presentations given by the speakers, the resource persons in this program. If I call the few names, then Dr. Bhim Singh, Dr. P. Jena, and Dr. Dattatreya, and all the eminent faculties. For timing, I'm sorry I cannot remember the name of all the persons, but they all were terrific in their presentations. They all were very comprehensive and fundamentals. All of this became possible because of the painstaking effort made by Dr. Pusparani madam and her team. I would like to thank Dr. Pushparani Madam for this terrific program, and I anticipate more programs, more such programs in future. Thank you, RMD Engineering College. You all were rocking. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any other participants would like to share your feedback?
NIT Silchar, few faculty members are attending. Kindly come forward, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Ashish from NIT Silchar.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the coordinators and RMD Engineering College for organizing such event. Though in my thought, this power quality issue is being addressed from last 50 years. But because of this modern distribution system, now the same thing has been changing. And whatever you did, you gather all the eminent professors from different institutes who actually given us the basics, and they have given some insight for the future research. So this might help other participants, and it was very helpful for me. Thank you once again for organizing such event, and in future we are all hoping that you may conduct such workshop for us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Proceed, ma'am.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, Brinda, ma'am. As a research scholar, first of all, I would like to thank the management, Dr. Usharani madam, and the team members for organizing such interactive session to us. We can able to understand the challenge faced by them and our team members in organizing such STTP during this pandemic period. And thank you all once again. And all the sessions were very well planned, ma'am, so that we were able to attend all the sessions without fail. Special thanks to that. And thanks to all the experts who have given their presentations very clearly, which would help us for our study purpose. And I kindly request the organizing members to share all the PPT if possible, ma'am. If possible, kindly share such PPTs which would be helpful for us.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Okay, Pa. Maheshwari madam.
Yes, ma'am. There's one more.
Hello, madam. Hello, madam.
Yes,
I am
sir.
audible.
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir.
Hello, I am Sumanto Kundu from JS Group, Narula Institute of Technology, Calcutta, West Bengal, madam. This STTP is such a nice one because every expert shares their from the fundamental to the advanced issues of power quality. Sir, everything is very good. In this pandemic situation, the way you have managed all these things, it's really hats off to you people. Madam, if you kindly share the recording of the video for our further recapitulation of the things, then it will be grateful for me also and for others also, because this STTP has taught us a lot of things, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all participants for your valuable feedbacks given from each and every person. Thanks a lot. We'll post the Phase 3, brochure to your mail. Kindly circulate to your friends also. Thanks for your cooperation. Uma Maheshwari,
Madam,
madam.
is there any feedback form for Madam? Is there any feedback form for this session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll post it. At the end of the session, we'll post it in the chat box, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
I will inform you that if the professors have sent the PPTs, means I'll share the PPTs to your mail along with the e-certificate. For recordings, we'll try our best, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, participants, for your feedback about the STTP. Now I request Dhanalakshmi ma'am to deliver the word of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Dhanalakshmi, Assistant Professor of EEE Department. It's my privilege to extend the vote of thanks on this occasion. I take this opportunity to thank our management, principal, head of the department, coordinator of this STTP for their endless support to organize this AICT-sponsored 6 days online STTP on mitigation of power quality issues in distributed generation systems using power devices phase 2. I extend my profound gratitude to our principal, Dr. N. Anbucharian, sir, for his great support towards this STTP. Thank you very much, sir. I extend my sincere thanks to our head of the department, Dr. V. Tamilchelvi, ma'am, for her continuous support to organize this STTP. Thank you very much, ma'am. I also extend my sincere thanks to coordinator of this STTP, Professor Dr. P. Usharani, ma'am, for her tremendous support and efforts towards organizing this STTP successfully. Thank you very much, ma'am. At the outset, I thank all our resource persons from various reputed institutions and industries for enriching and enlightening us. Our heartfelt thanks to all the participants from various institutions for the successful completion of this short-term training program. Thank you once again. I would like to thank the organizers, Ms. M. Uma Maheshwari and Ms. P.M. Kalpana for their efforts and coordination in organizing this STTP successfully. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the faculty members of our department for their support. Thank you very much to all. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kindly stop recording, Pa.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We'll go for the photo session.